Hey guys, welcome back. We will discuss about conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Conditional formatting is primarily a tool that applies formatting to the data, which depends upon various conditional rules we usually lay out. Conditional formatting is a unique formatting feature of Excel that is effectively used to find unique duplicate values by just formatting the cells. This feature is available in various spreadsheet applications, in which Excel is one of them. Conditional formatting can be efficiently used in several ways that will include visualization, checking for specific information, highlight the top values. So we can do these things in conditional formatting. It enables the different features to the users to make the data more informative and readable. So using conditional formatting, we can easily highlight the various cells with a background color. We can also format various cell content with a particular type of font. It allows us to format the cells and their data that will effectively meet the desired criteria. It enables us to perform several things with the data, like we can set the icons with the data, such as indicators, shapes, and many more. It makes the data more readable and informatics to the reader for the analysis purpose. So we will see an example for conditional formatting. So we can apply the if-then logic. We can apply some preset conditions. We can apply some custom conditions. So let's enter some data for the product and the price. Then we will apply some conditional formatting. Now we will first enter this data, then we will need to go to the conditional formatting which is present in the home tab and then click on it. Now we will go to the conditional formatting and we will say highlight the cells that is greater than, and we will enter some value, and then we will say which format we want to apply for those numbers that satisfy the condition, and we will see the result. Highlight cell rules greater than, $7.59. So fill it with, you can choose from the drop down there. Okay. So these are the numbers satisfy the condition. So this is one example. We can also clear the conditional formatting by going to the conditional formatting, then clear rules. Then we can choose clear rules from the entire worksheet or for the selected region. Let's see how to do that, how to clear the conditional formatting. Okay. Next, we will see which numbers are above average and fill them with some format. Okay, then we will now see how to apply the data bars to the data. Okay, again, go to the conditional formatting. You can select data bars this time, and you can select the appropriate gradient. Okay. Then we will see how to apply color scale to the data. Conditional formatting primarily consists of several color scales, as we can easily use these color scales only on the numeric data in a given column to represent the value of the cells graphically, and the color indicates where each cell value falls within the cell range.